Good morning, students. Welcome to the session of virtual classes. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and studying well at your home. Today, I Renu Tyagi, your computer teacher, going to start lesson number 4. More on MS Word 2010. Students, about MS Word 2010, we have already studied in previous classes. Okay. In this class, I am going to describe you some more features of MS Word. So first is there formatting. What is formatting? Formatting means appearance of the document. What is the meaning of formatting? Formatting means appearance of the document. Appearance means here means कि हमारा document किस तरीके का दिखाई देता है after creating. That is the appearance of the document. Okay. With the help of formatting, we can make document more readable and attractive. There are various formatting options. First I am going to use, first is find and replace option. With the help of this option, we can find the particular word or phrase from the document and it can be changed with another word or phrase. We can also check this particular word is given in this document or not. Okay, steps 2 means it is used to find or search a particular word or phrase in a document. Steps to use: to find a word are these are the steps which can be used to find a particular word from the document. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open a document and then go to the home tab. Your first step is go to the home tab. After opening the document, go to the home tab and there you have to click on find command. Click on find command. Now type the word or phrase in the text box. Now click on search icon. Click on search icon. Instead of clicking on search icon, we can also press the enter key. Press the enter key. Then navigation pane will display you a list of occurrences. लिस्ट ऑफ ऑकरेंसेस मीन्स कि कितनी बार ये पर्टिकुलर वर्ड आपके डॉक्यूमेंट में यूज़ हुआ है, वो लिस्ट आपके सामने स्क्रीन पर अपीयर हो जाएगी. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू प्रेस द एंटर की टू मूव अ पर्टिकुलर ऑकरेंस. प्रेस एंटर की टू मूव to the particular occurrence. Steps to replace a particular word. These will be used when we want to change the word in a document. For that, what we have to do, first step is same. You have to open the document in which you want to make the changes. So open the document. Then go to the home tab. After it, you have to click on replace command. Then type the word in find word text box. Type the word in find what text box. Which word is this? This is the word which we want to change. Okay. After this, you have to type the new word or phrase. New word or phrase in the replace with text box. Replace with text box. So this is the name of the text box. Here that word will be written which we want to see in document. Now you have to click on replace button or replace all. Replace will be selected in that case when we want to replace only one word, means जब हमें एक ही जगह पर change करना है. And replace all will be selected when we want to make the changes everywhere where that particular word is appearing. Now see steps in your book. When we click on find or find replace command, we get this dialog box. Students, in this dialog box you have to select the replace tag from here. As you select replace text, find what text box appears. Here you have to write the word which you want to search or which you want to change from the document. And then in replace with box you have to type new word. After writing here word, you have to click on replace command. Replace button will be selected in that case where you want to make the change at one place in your document. Okay, at one place in your document, and replace all will be selected in that case when you want to make the changes everywhere in the document where that particular word is appearing. Our next topic is line spacing and paragraph spacing. Line spacing and paragraph spacing. First, I am going to explain you line spacing. Do you know what is it? Students, line spacing is the blank space between two lines in a paragraph. जब हम दो लाइनों के बीच में कुछ blank space छोड़ देते हैं, that is called line spacing. You can see example of this in your book. You are looking this line and second line is this, but in between these two lines you are getting some blank place. Okay, this blank place is given by the help of line spacing option of MS Word. So line spacing is the blank space in between two lines of a paragraph. Steps to apply line spacing are: go to the home tab. In the home tab, find out find out paragraph group. In the paragraph group, you have to click on line and paragraph spacing command. Line and paragraph spacing command. Then select the options. Select the option only according to which you want to apply the line spacing. Then selected option will be applied in your document on the lines, and you can use one alternative methods to apply the line spacing. What is that? You can go to the paragraph, you have to go to the home tab and there find out the paragraph group. In the paragraph group, you have to click on paragraph pull down arrow. Okay. When you click on this arrow, you get the paragraph dialog box. This is the paragraph dialog box. In this box, you have to mention the spacing. Here, this is the option of line spacing. Select the points from here according to which you have to apply the line spacing between two lines. After selecting from here, you have to click on OK button. Then selected option will be applied in your document on the line. Students, now turn to homework. What you have to do, write all these reboot points in your notebook and tick the correct option, true, false, and fill in the blanks. These you have to fill in your notebook with the help of pencil. Nobody will use pen to write in book. And to write question answer or reboot points, you have to use pen to write the exercise in your notebook. Okay, thank you so much. This is our today's video.